Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate Shopify store. So watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to duplicate the Shopify store, you will need to have basically two stores. So here you can just go to all the stores and you can create another one. And the most important part is to make sure that the second or the duplicated store should have the same plan or the same premium plan as your original store and should have better to have the same theme and the other things because the process of duplicating a store is not as direct as it seems, but you will need to just create or export your orders and customers and everything else. So basically, your products, your customers, you will need just to export them. So basically, you will need just to click on export. You will need just to use all the products and make sure it is in CSV file and you click on exports and basically we'll have now a file that contains all your products. After that, you will need just to go to the second store that you want to duplicate. For example, I will just create a new one and from here in this new store, for example, let's just click next, and let's just get started. And then I will just go to the products and I will import my CSV. So here, let's just skip for now. And as I said, make sure it has the same plan as your original store. Then you can go, for example, to product, and from here you will need to click on import. And from after clicking on add file, you will need just to have the file that you have exported from the original uh, shop. And you will need to do that for everything, and you will have duplicated store for your Shopify store. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.